Crashes, disabled vehicles, and localized outages are growing this evening. WFXR's Jessica Maldonado joins us live with the latest on what officials are seeing on the ground. Hey, Jessica.
Hey, yeah, I can literally feel the little snowflakes hitting my face right now. We're seeing heavy and wet snow across the region. As of right now, according to the Appalachian power outage map, there are some small localized outages, but nothing major. Says this type of heavy snow can cause problems.
Any type of snow or ice storm can have an effect on the power. Anything from fallen trees and broken branches to heavy wet snow can bring some lines down.
And if you lose electricity,
we tell folks to give us a call. You can find that number over on our website, AppalachianPower.com. Charge your batteries. Make sure you have an alternate heating source if you have electric heat.
On the roads, Virginia State Police say crashes and disabled vehicles continue to spike.
We're working a lot of incidents in Franklin County right now.
He says roads may look clear, but they may not be.
Folks act like nothing's on the roadway. Now, the roadway may look black, but that doesn't mean there's not slush, ice, snow on the road.
VDOT crews are working around the clock on interstates and primary routes first, then they will move to clear secondary roads.
This isn't supposed to stop until around 7 o'clock, but with 7 o'clock comes the dark hours, and then the temperatures are going to fall.
With temperatures dropping tonight, the risk of refreezing will only make conditions worse.
We're advising people to stay home. So remember, bridges, overpasses, shaded areas, those are going to ice first.
VDOT says crews will continue working 12-hour shifts, but the safest option right now is to stay home.